Defender is something special. This unbelievable capability, this engineering excellence. It's an icon all around the world.
We use Land Rovers as training vehicles in the military.
Don't drop it.
The bottom line is it's clearly a versatile, robust bit of kit.
It should have been a no-brainer for anybody to invest in the original Defender. It's going to go anywhere, where there's a desert, where there's a swamp, where there's a mountainous road. So for me, I definitely would have said I'm in. I've had some great fun in these.
You know, I spent some of the happiest days of my life in a Land Rover. When I'm buried, I don't want a hearse. I want to go in the back of a Land Rover.
The amazing thing about the Defender, it's not about the vehicle really, it's about the people we can help as a result of actually being able to access those places.
Every summer we would drive up to Anglesey, down to the beach, and it was always an exciting event.
It brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah.
2 millionth Defender. An incredible vehicle that saved my backside more times than I can ever say. This guy's been a friend.
The Defender is my magic carpet. Right from my days in the Marines, there's one vehicle I want to be sitting in when things start going wrong. The Defender is my magic carpet.
I feel like I'm connected with Land Rover in a way that very few people are.
The Defender, I think in a way, is the defender of wildlife. The whole Land Rover Defender story has been part of our family. The memories are very strong.
You develop bonds with things that you depend on. And I have such a bond with this vehicle. Here we go. I love it.